Hi, I'm Em. Welcome to my calming art workshop. I'm so glad you're here. Congratulations on putting yourself first and taking some time to be curious, creative, and playful with me. We're going to draw on the right-hand side of your piece of paper so that down the track we can turn it into a card. So imagine halfway mark of your paper and we're going to draw on this side. No pressure. If it doesn't end up becoming a card, that's fine too. Remember, it's about the process and letting go. So we're going to start by drawing an oval on the side. You can leave a little gap there. I'm going to draw two straight lines for the side of the jar and then a little curved base. Easy. If you want to, you can get a bit fancy. If you want to make it look a bit like a mason jar, you can put a couple more lines along here. It's up to you. Okay, now this bit is the mindfulness practice part. I want you to have a look around the room. The three things that might fit inside the jar. So if you can't think of anything, you can start with the pen that you're holding. So I'm going to draw just a simple shape. Nice, slow, confident lines. Might shade the lid a little bit. I'm going to add the little wire bit on the side. This is just a little illustration. It doesn't have to look exactly like it. It's just a representation. So there's my first item. The second item, because I used my material list, I do already have a paintbrush sitting nearby. So I am going to draw my paintbrush and I'm going to do it on an angle through that little gap. It's got a little rounded base, so just simply, but it doesn't matter too much. Bit of artistic license here. We're going to then draw the bristles very simply. Just a representation of a paintbrush. Done. Two. And the third thing, I thought it might be nice. I'm having a look out the window and I'm fortunate enough to see some trees and leaves out there, but you might add a fork or a knife or something, or maybe you've picked a flower and you can add that. I'm just going to add a leaf. So here I get a little bit creative. I'm going to curve the branch up a bit just for a bit of interest and just draw some very simple leaf shapes. Do you know, things in design look better in threes? 1, 2, 3, and I've done 1, 2, 3. Or you can go up to the next odd number, which is 5. So I might put another little bit here. Not worrying too much, just seeing what comes naturally. That is the very first activity, just a little mindful drawing. 3 things in a jar. And if you want to, you can add some colour to this. Or if not, you've got a lovely little illustration. If you'd like to turn it into a card, you can simply take the edges like this, match them up in the corners, push down, and I'm just going to write in here, I appreciate you. Love, M. That's ready to put in my gift drawer for when it's someone's birthday or someone does something really kind for me. I'm able to give them this for some gratitude.